I'm going to talk now about the meta description feature and the meta keywords feature of HeatMap Theme. Now, meta description is one of the most important fields you can fill out in the HeatMap Theme options. Basically, that's because search engines pick up on that, and they often use it when they're returning search results, and they also use it to make sense of what the content of your page is about. So it's very important that you fill out the meta description field for your home page, and also using custom fields on your actual content pages. Anyway, we'll talk about that a little bit later, but what we're going to do now is just going to zip into the HeatMap options and then have a look at the meta description field. And if I click on SEO here, and you'll see I've filled out my homepage meta description here with some keyword rich text about my blog, and a search engine will read that and make sense of my blog from that, and also will often return that in search results. So you don't actually see this text on the page itself. You won't be able to actually read it on the page itself, but a search engine will be able to read it in your HTML source. So you can see here I've got some text here that says an artist's blog about how to sell your artwork, etc., etc. So if we actually go and have a look at my blog here, and then we view the page source, and then we'll be able to find that right here in the page source. So you can see it's meta name, description, an artist blog about how to sell your artwork, etc., etc. Okay, so that just appears in your HTML source. It's not actually viewable by an actual live human reader of the page. Now also, what goes with that are the homepage meta keywords. Now in recent years, Google has come out and said that they actually ignore this, so it's optional whether you actually want to fill out homepage meta keywords for your blog, but some people, just for completeness, like to do that, so that feature is there if you actually want to put some keywords in for your blog.